Okay, what's up you guys? This is Brandy Jeanette. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. You see those lights in my eyes? Those came from the heart-shaped lights that were in my YouTube video setup video that's on my channel right now. And I'm going to break this down for you and tell you guys all about them because they are really top tier. I am so obsessed with these lights. So I want to start off with the smaller ones. So this desktop light that's right on the top, it's held on this really tiny tripod that's super mobile and you can move it around to get like some really custom shots. And then there's a smaller one that has a phone holder attached to it and you can literally clip it on any surface. For this selfie session, I literally used a TV dinner tray to clip one of the lights on and then I just set the other light right on top of it. There are so many different color combinations with the smaller lights that you just can't get with the bigger light, not just yet anyway. So you can have so much fun with them even though they're tiny. And I mean, look at the outcome. It's about your creativity and how you're feeling, how you dressing up, and my boobies were sitting. I love how these pictures came out. And with this one, you can kind of see the heart lights in my eyes, but it's not about that. I mean, look at that outcome with just two little tiny lights in a TV dinner tray. Come on now. That right there, and that's all it took to get those two fire pictures. So this is the heart-shaped ring light. It gives you anime eyes and it comes in so many colors. And plus there's like this cool little disco ball that comes with it and it's really fun. It puts you in a really good mood. And plus it's like a major plus for my atmosphere. So you have the option to buy either a pink or black wireless remote that can sync to your Android, or you can just use the link that comes with the light itself that has wires on it. And this little disco ball that I mentioned, this little thing is so daggone cute. It just makes the wall and the lighting and all that just pop a little bit more. So this is the front view of the heart-shaped ring light. You can adjust the color temperatures to be either really warm or really cool, or you can like have it right in the middle. And then there's all the fun colors that we're going to get into because this part is actually my jam. I know this light comes with a remote control, but I don't want to be bound by wires, so I use my wireless remote to control the light itself. I use it to increase or decrease the brightness, switch between modes, change the color temperature. The color temperature on this can get really warm or super duper cool. And the warm setting gives your skin a really nice glow. It reminds me of a sunset or candlelight, and of course, those wonderful heart-lit anime eyes. That's my favorite, can't forget that. While the warm temperature is nice, the cold temperature is actually my favorite. The cold temperature is bae. Like, look how deep of a cool tone that gets. So when you're in the mood to like take selfies and really do the damn thing, it gives like a sharper look to me. Like between the warm and the cool, I'd like the cool the best, and I'm glad that I tried both of them. And I don't know, like this is my jam. So between the warm and cool, they're both dope, but I like the cool tone better. So between the warm tone and the cool tone, you can actually adjust the color temperature and make it like right in the middle so you get a nice blend between both of them. And this picture was taken with the smaller heart lights, and they both have the same features with the warm tones and the cool tones, which is really great. So like you actually get a lot more with the smaller lights though, because they have way more features than the larger one, and they take really good pictures. I mean, come on. So speaking of modes, this is the LCD screen in the back of the light unit, and this is where you switch in between modes. And as you can see, there's buttons on the back that match the same buttons that are on the wireless remote and the wired remote that comes with it. But now we're going to get into the colors. See, the smaller lights, they hold their own weight. They do the damn thing, but the bigger light to me is sexy. If you want to go bold and go red, I love this. And because it's the bigger light, you get a more defined heart shape anime eye look. And it's sexy. Regardless of whatever color you choose, you're gonna have that glow in your eye and it's gonna look really good on your skin. See, I've had these lights for a while and I've been having a damn good time with them. They're fun, they're cute. Actually, the pink color, I've been gravitating towards that a lot more because it's really girly and it's really cute at the same time. Like, I just love the flirty look of the pink one. You know what I mean? The yellow color, My skin absorbs this one. It just gives it a deeper glow than the warm tone on the color temperature. And I vibe with the yellow tone a lot more. I actually use the yellow tone more than I do the regular temperature. And then there's this party vibe mode where it just rolls through all of the colors. And then you got the disco ball there when the colors are bouncing around. It makes your home look like a party. And then it just, I'm sorry, the red one, that's my jam. It's sexy. So by now, if you really, really, really want this light, I'm going to tell you how you're going to get it and save some monies in the process. You're going to go to kawaiilighting.com. Wait, did you see the very first picture on here? Cardi B, she loves these damn lights. They are so fire, so I don't blame her. I actually have that, the 30-inch reflector disc. I haven't had a chance to play with it yet. But you're going to go to kawaiilighting.com. You're going to scroll the gallery. You're going to find something that you absolutely love. And then you're going to click on that photo. It's going to take you to the next page. And then you're going to see that this one is actually on pre-order again because it keeps selling out, and I don't blame them because it's dope. The light that I have is called Badass Black, and I have the Badass Black remote. I actually have the Pretty Pink remote too, but I mostly use the Badass Black. So when you go to the subtotal, you're going to see how you can break this payment up into 4 with Affirm. But when you go to checkout to save some monies, all you need to do is holla at me. When I say holla at me, I mean go to where it says discount code. And for your discount code, you're going to say my name. Go AOB. And then hit apply. Once you hit apply, those are some monies that you're going to keep in your pocket. And those are some monies that's going to bring your Affirm balance down so you don't have to pay that much more every 2 weeks until it's paid off. So I really want to show you the difference between these two lights because I have both of them and they are both amazing, and that's how I got those really dope Instagram pictures. So the small tripod, that's the one that doesn't have a phone holder on it, right? And it doesn't cost that much. So if you only want that, you're going to be paying a lot less with my coupon code. But I really like having them both. I mean, the phone holder and then the other one, then you can use one of them for like a backlight, especially with all the colors. But yeah, the one with the phone clamp, that one's so clutch. So as you can see, the subtotal is about $98, and they broke that down. It's like $25 payments using Affirm, but you are gonna holla at me. Just scream AOB. So I'm here to save you some money. Alright, and then that's going to be your new total. And of course, once you put in your shipping information, everything gets adjusted from there. So like this video, comment, subscribe, and share. I will be answering questions if you have any. I will see you next time for the next video, you guys. Bye.